Welcome back to Build to Faith. This is a backyard garden. Like you can see, it's very beautiful. Yesterday we harvested some kale, and it looks like I have some kind of pest attacking my cabbage. You see that? I think this is broccoli, isn't it? I think something like that. No cabbage. And when you see this, you have to look for the suckers. Okay, somewhere in there. Okay, so you look thoroughly, and most likely, oh, look at this dude. You see that? Yeah, gotcha. No more eating my garden, Bobby. So you have to do this in your vegetable, and another thing you can do, you can use cover. So I have a cover here, but sometimes you still have to open it and let the garden breathe, right? So yeah, catch one of the sucker, and you need to inspect your garden. For sure. It looks like I have somebody else somewhere around here. Let's see this hole there? So when you see those holes, you need to start looking. Hey, let's see. Who is this? Nothing. Okay. Probably catch him already. And it looks like those looks like eggs. And do have some neem oil. Okay, so but I don't really like to spray even with the organic spraying like neem. So yeah, and those are I think radish under. There's a beautiful kale coming out, and nothing feels better when you have to harvest your own food. And oh my goodness, some kind of animals mess up my onions. I don't know who they are. Yeah, there was an animal here. Oh my goodness. See, you are gardening and do all of that, and animals are doing other thing. Ah, man. All right, I have to figure this out. I have to take care of it. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good day.